Hey everyone, check out this powerful electric pressure washer with a maximum pressure of 4002 psi and a flow rate of 3.2 GPM designed for tough cleaning jobs. This electric-powered machine is perfect for washing your car, floors, garage, patio, and more with ease and efficiency. It comes with a foam cannon attachment that helps create thick foam to lift dirt and grime effortlessly. The washer is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making your outdoor cleaning tasks faster and more enjoyable. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance even with frequent use. With this pressure washer, you'll get professional-level cleaning power right at home. Get ready to transform your cleaning routine and achieve spotless results every time. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.